As dawn breaks over the African savannah, we heed the call. We don't follow the road less traveled, we build it. We don't expect wealth from the ground, we engineer it. We don't take nature's bounty for granted, we harness it. We heed the call of a land brimming with potential, the call of a people proud and vibrant, the call to a future forged in the furnace of possibility and rooted in the soil of promise. From humble beginnings in 1974, the Raubex Group has grown to South Africa's fifth largest heavy construction company when compared by value, with an annual turnover of an excess of 6 billion rand. As the decades passed and Raubex found itself competing in an ever-changing global environment, the need to diversify and expand was constantly met. Today, the business employs some 7,700 people, owns 1,500 pieces of plant, and is a sought-after listing on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, and has a proud record of over 40 years of uninterrupted profitability. The group consists of 3 core operational clusters that have successfully completed projects across the African continent. The 3 clusters are Raubex Construction, Raubex Materials, and Raubex Infrastructure. The past few years has seen significant growth in the materials and infrastructure clusters, and the following companies now spearhead the Raubex Group's operations in these fields. B&E International is a focused mobile crushing and screening, mining, minerals processing, beneficiation and engineering entity. Founded in 1972, the company offers services to both the construction and the mining industries. We offer the following key services: crushing, mobile crushing and screening for the construction industry, static crushing plants on large infrastructure projects, commercial crushing, mining, open cast mining and stripping, mineral processing and beneficiation including wet and dry screening, running of washing plants, running of DMS plants, crushing, processing and beneficiation of different ore types, drilling and blasting, engineering, the design and manufacture of purpose-built plants for internal use, the design, manufacture, commissioning and maintenance of static crushing and washing plants for external mining projects. At present, we mine approximately 20 million tons and crush, screen and process about 10 million tons of ore and aggregate annually. SPH Kundalila has for the past 40 years provided expert surface mining and materials handling solutions to the mining sector. Our key services include bulk materials handling, mobile screening, primary crushing, loading and transport, stockpile management, plant hire, waste pump screening and beneficiation, open cast mining, hot slag handling in smelters, rehabilitation services. We pride ourselves in our long-term relationships with various mining houses across the gold, platinum and iron ore fields, for which we mine, screen and transport about 40 million tons of ore annually. Plant Hire supports the largest earth-moving plant hire fleet in the Western Cape and is now also branched out to the Northern Cape, Eastern Cape, Gauteng and Mpumalanga, with a total of 400 plus plant items on hire daily. We support plant of the highest standards from leading manufacturers to customers across Southern Africa. Our key services include providing the total plant solution to clients within the mining, construction and civil industries across sub-Saharan Africa. Our experienced, qualified and talented team ensures constant service and support excellence to our clients, and we live by our motto, our experience, your advantage. The infrastructure cluster comprises 4 different companies, each of which services a unique market segment. Raubex Infra delivers turnkey projects to long-term clients in both the private and the public sectors. Our ISO 9001 rating means we provide design, construction and maintenance services of the highest standards. Our key services include rail and rail-related infrastructure, complete civil solutions for mining infrastructure, fiber and GSM telecommunications infrastructure, electrical and renewable energy infrastructure. Some of our recent and ongoing projects include the Tweefontein optimization project for Glencore between Witbank and Ogies, the King TFR rail for Asmang near Kathu, and the Letsatsi solar farm near Bloemfontein. What started as a family business some 22 years ago has to date grown into a specialized bulk services civils company that has completed projects in excess of 900 million rand. At L&R Civils, all our projects are directly managed by our directors, enabling us to provide hands-on services to the various municipalities and parastatals we deal with. Our key services include bulk water and sewer pipelines, stormwater reticulation, sewer reticulation, and mechanical installations. Some recent projects include Ennerdale Pump Station, Naval Hill Pipeline Phase 1, Klip Kruisfontein Pipeline and Reservoir, and the Secheng 476 Housing Project. We are proud to count Rand Water, Johannesburg Water and the City of Tshwane amongst our clients. Raubex Housing was formed in the wake of increased demand for quality housing solutions within the Southern African marketplace. Whether it's large housing projects for the mining sector or RDP housing for national or provincial government departments, our executive team's wealth of experience ensures quality turnkey projects. Some of our key services include turnkey housing solutions, conversions of hostel blocks, office, workshops and ancillary buildings, student accommodation, educational facilities, construction projects governed by a recognized construction contract. A typical project is the 476 housing project for Kumba Iron Ore in Kathu. This turnkey project, valued at 250 million rand, is due for completion in early 2014. As a force to be reckoned with in the industry, Raubex remains committed to internationally accepted best practice standards in corporate governance, health and safety related issues, as well as in our commitment to our most valuable resource, our staff. The Raubex Group has expanded to encompass a wide range of expertise and services, but our core values remain the same. We rely on our entrepreneurial spirit, family values, and a hands-on approach to business to deliver quality projects to our clients, thereby maximizing value to our shareholders.